Hello everyone, and it's been quite a bit some time since I last posted on this channel, but I'm going to start off this video and this new series in which I'm calling Starting YouTube Automation All Over Again to 100K per month, episode 1. If you followed my other channels, you're going to realize like this looks very familiar, John. Why are you doing this again? And I'm going to be telling you why, okay? But first, just a simple life update as to where I've been. I've been missing across all of social media because number one, I purchased my first home along with my fiance, and tied to that, I actually just got engaged, all right? So see the relationship there, but now straight back to the video, everyone. The previous attempts, okay? In my other channels called Started with YouTube Automation, I attempted to start YouTube Automation with channels with some partners. Over the past 2 months, I had to discontinue work with them for whatever miscellaneous reasons. But in the meantime though, you know that I had to keep trying out more channel ideas. And that's what I'm actually really excited to share with you, is that I did have to stop that challenge just because it was too much going on in which some people were missing. I just wasn't too pleased with the workflow. The costs for the video were actually quite high, so I had to kind of cut off the relationship there. But I did start channels in the meantime with other niche ideas. But first, starting off with the goals, here we have basically the same goals as the Start with YouTube Automation channel. We have like the monetary goals, and then also like some things which I want to do for my family and such. So of course, anytime I'm starting my YouTube automation channel, gotta have some goals or basically something to reach for to kind of keep you motivated and such, right? So starting with the first channel in which I started, the niche that I started it within was TV shows. So if you've been following me for some time now, you know that I have channels in the TV show niche. So I'm sticking with what I know. This is a 50-50 partnership with another individual, an individual who I've known for about 3 years now. I started it on an old non-monetized channel, which was created back in August of 2022. I started uploading on the channel on March 4th of 2023, okay? So currently I have 15 videos live, 633 subscribers, and 7,000 watch hours, and this is all completely organic. But there's something really cool about this channel which I wanna share with you all. The way I started this channel is that I started re-uploading videos from an old dead channel. The videos were evergreen and still relevant, but I uploaded those old videos to this newer channel. So I'm gonna be giving you an example, and this is the exact situation which I did. I initially started a general TV shows channel back in 2022. It didn't work, and it also got demonetized. I took a specific TV show niche and started a new channel with old videos on that old demonetized channel. So in other words, I basically took like a specific TV show which was already being posted on that old demonetized channel, and I took those videos and reposted it onto this newer channel. Okay, so it gets a little bit confusing, but again, the equivalent of this as follows. I first started a channel in TV shows posting videos about Friends, Cobra Kai, Stranger Things, Bridgerton, Wednesday, The Office, Family Guy. This channel did not work, okay? It got demonetized and eventually just died off. I restarted another channel posting strictly just Bridgerton videos. So this started gaining traction, and this is what's working right now to this extent. The takeaway here is that niching down equals more likely to work. Instead of just starting a celebrity channel, maybe target like a specific celebrity pair. So I've seen this work in which people just simply target A$AP Rocky and Rihanna, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Instead of starting like a general sports channel, maybe target a specific team like the Lakers, Golden State Warriors, the Yankees, Max Verstappen. Instead of starting a general TV show channel, maybe target a specific TV show with a die-hard fan base. And this is exactly what I did, and it is working much better than the entire duration which I was posting on that old channel. Channel 1, this is the metrics that you can see. Again, I started posting around it was around March 3rd, I think I earlier said. So we're at 117,000 total views, 6,400 watch hours, technically around 7,000 actually, and about 600 plus subscribers. So the metrics, these sort of metrics with only like 15 videos posted, definitely outperform that general TV show niche in which I was posting. Now, I'm not saying general TV shows don't work. We have channels like Movie Rays and Bopping which are working extremely well, but I do believe that niching down, you're able to gain traction a lot faster. Now, channel number 2 is in the niche of celebrities. So YSS members will know that I failed starting a celebrity channel not only once, but twice. And both these celebrity channels, I was barely making like $1,000 in profit each year. So I decided to let both of them go. So why am I starting another celebrity channel now? And it's because of the same reason in which I started channel number 1. Instead of starting like a general celebrity channel, I basically niched down. I think that's the key in which I'm doing which is basically the main difference. So I started on an old non-monetized YouTube channel, again, that was created back in December 2022. I started uploading on April 7th of 2023. Currently, I have 9 videos live with 550 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours. So as you can tell, on both channels 1 and 2, we already have like a video going viral. We're already getting actual organic subscribers, and we're not pouring a ton of money. We're not doing like a wide net, seeing what works, what doesn't work. I feel like niching down is the key difference as to what's making these channels work compared to channels which I've been running for like 2+ years. So the metrics for channel 2, as you can see, we're about at 200,000 views, 8,000 watch hours, and 540 subscribers. Unfortunately, just like any trending channel, the trend went up, the trend went down. We kind of milked the views, got the subscribers, got the watch hours, but we currently have more videos under production, and I'm sure we can capitalize on it. Now for channel number 3, the niche is documentaries, okay? So it's not a general documentary channel. Again, this is a very niche channel, which I truly believe I'm probably the only one within this niche. That's how niche I actually went. But it started on an old non-monetized channel, started in 2022. I started uploading on May 6, 2022. Sorry, this is actually should say 2023. So it's fairly newer, okay? I just started this less than a month ago, roughly. But I'm at 5 videos, 14 subscribers, and 200 watch hours. But I do think the videos on this channel are extremely high quality. As you can see, nothing really gaining traction currently, but let me show you what the stats on this channel look like in particular. So the approach to this channel is that it's not just a general make money online documentary. It's not just a general how businesses grew documentary. There's a lot of channels doing for that. I went extremely niche, and I'm so confident this channel is going to work just because there's a demand, there's a trend for it, and it really does fit in a gap in which there's a missing information on YouTube covering these topics. So I'm really excited to see or show you guys this. I have no doubt that based on the quality and the topics in which I'm choosing, this is going to work. Just give it some time. We're only 5 videos in. As far as some final thoughts go, okay, I think the main takeaway from episode 1 of this starting YouTube automation all over again is to niche down. In addition, a lot of people watching this video, I'm sure you have channels which didn't work. I mean, we're all guilty of them. You may not see other people actually talk about this. I mean, me myself, of course, I don't talk a lot about how my channels fail or how channels don't work or how I'm losing money on certain channels. But to some extent, that's the reality of basically starting faceless YouTube automation channels. You have channels that don't work initially, but eventually work, or you basically just have channels which don't work, period. But if you're one of those people that have a channel that didn't work, see if you can create a more niche channel based on some string of related videos that you have uploaded onto there. So again, the example I can give you is that if you're starting a sports channel and you're targeting a bunch of basketball teams, maybe you just want to make a YouTube channel targeting the Dallas Mavericks. Maybe you just want to make a YouTube channel targeting the LA Lakers. And so take those old evergreen videos and post them onto a brand new channel. So this isn't the first time that re-uploading videos on a new channel has led to better results for me. I've done this before, it's worked before. I've actually had students within the YSS community also do this, and it's worked for them quite well, okay? So don't be afraid to re-upload videos. So it's not like a common strategy. You have to do it strategically, okay? You have to do it when it makes sense. It's worked for me multiple times, and it may work for you. Other final thoughts, I have failed at YouTube automation plenty of times. Unfortunately, the challenge which I started on my other channel, I had to cut that off just because a lot was going on. I just discontinued the channel, so I decided to restart it. But there's nothing wrong with that. You know, part of this business is starting, failing, starting, and finally succeeding. And I'm used to it, okay? I poured some money into there, but it's okay. I do believe in the faceless YouTube method. And to some extent, eventually it is going to work, okay? At least in terms of making profits. So other final thoughts also is to hold me accountable, everyone. I do read comments, and I do want to apologize. If you did follow me on Started YouTube Automation, I feel terrible for not having updated this series in so long, but I'm excited to start over again and document the whole process. Some other details is that if you do want to join my Discord, I'm also going to be writing details on my journey threads which you can find onto there. And if you're interested in seeing what the actual channels are, I do reveal it within the YSS community, which you can learn more about down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch episode 2 if it's already been released. I'm going to be posting this probably roughly every week or once a month, depending on whether there's actually any major updates. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video.